What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a lineup of brand new Blender add-ons. So if you're someone who's always hunting for tools to improve your workflow, speed up your projects, or just make your renders look way more professional without struggling for hours, then this video is exactly for you. I will provide all the links in the description below for your ease. Before we dive in, let's talk about Blender Kit first. If you are looking for complete realistic scenes or assets that you want to use for your VFX shots or simulations, then take a look at Blender Kit, because it is the biggest assets library for Blender, offering over 125,000 high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. Over 57,000 of those are completely free, or you can get Pro Plan to access everything on Blender Kit, worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, for less than $10 a month. Currently, they are offering over 25% off on Pro yearly plan. So if you use my link, which is in the description, you will get additional 10% discount. The Blender Kit add-on allows you to search and select with advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need, and allows you to download assets directly from Blender. No need to leave Blender. Plus, you can explore different collections handpicked by experienced creators or even sell your own assets within the community. Offer is ending soon, so get before it ends. First, we have Easy Map Blend by Blender Procedural, the creator of the ultimate Blender add-ons bundle. Easy Map Blend is a lightweight and artist-friendly Blender add-on that allows you to automatically blend materials based on object proximity. Instead of manually painting masks or building complex shader setups, the add-on creates an intelligent blending system with a single click. It is designed for fast environment detailing, terrain interactions, intersection shading, dirt buildup effects, and procedural look development workflows. The system is fully procedural and non-destructive, so you can keep your existing materials while enhancing them with dynamic geometry-based blending behavior. Perfect for environment artists, motion designers, game developers, and anyone who wants faster shading workflows with more realistic results. There is the ultimate Blender add-ons bundle for the best time and money savings. This exclusive collection brings together all the powerful add-ons and geometry node setups Blender Procedural ever developed to empower your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this bundle provides everything you need to create stunning, dynamic renders with ease. Next, we got SnowFX. SnowFX instantly transforms any scene into a rich, cinematic winter environment, complete with animated snowflakes and atmospheric fog. Built for both speed and flexibility, it's incredibly easy to use while still giving you full artistic control, so you can create beautiful, realistic winter scenes in seconds, not hours. Stitch Generator by Peak Dream Studio allows you to create stitches in seconds, featuring 50 powerful stitching tools for Blender. Each ornament comes with a preview, making it easy to find the right fit for you. Perfect for any design. Whether you're working on modern designs or recreating historical models, this add-on has you covered. Simply select a few edges, press Generate Stitch, and adjust a few options if necessary. The result is amazing. High-quality hand-made seamless stitches align with your surface. Node Mapper allows you to get a bird's-eye view of your node soup and zip across massive projects in a single click. Node Mapper adds a high-performance interactive mini-map overlay to your node editors. Instantly find where you are, see your selected nodes highlighted in context, and teleport your view anywhere by clicking the map. No more endless scrolling through complex shader webs or procedural geometry rigs. Cycles to Octane Material Converter is a practical Blender add-on designed to save you time. If you render in Octane but use assets built for cycles like those from Blender Kit, Quixel Megascans, Fab, Sketchfab, or any other site, you know that manually rebuilding node trees is tedious and prone to errors. This tool acts as an automatic material converter, translating your complex cycle shaders into clean, physically accurate Octane setups so you can focus on lighting and composition rather than reconnecting wires. Unlike simple scripts that copy-paste values, Cross Converter analyzes your material's intent. It traces backwards through your node chain, image color ramp mix BSDF, to ensure the logic stays consistent. Curve Assets Volume 1 by the creator of SnowFX. In this bundle, You'll discover a collection of procedural generators designed to make your creative process as effortless as drawing a curve. All of the chains are customizable, using the power of the geometry nodes. The procedural chain allows you to generate a wide variety of chain shapes, and you can model and use your own chain geometry with that too. As you use that with curves, you can quickly shape the chains to fit it perfectly in your scene. And a lot more tools. Elevate your toolkit with this set of powerful tools. There is also Procedural Generators Bundle. This powerful collection of tools is designed to help artists like you generate optimized geometry with ease. From ropes and chains to snow, fur, grounds, terrains, dust, leaves, and rocks, this bundle has it all. Imagine the time you'll save and the stunning visuals you'll create. No more painstaking manual creation of complex geometries. With the Procedural Generator Bundle, you can focus on what you do best, creating breathtaking art. That's it for new add-ons. Now, we're going to take a look at best add-ons from my last video if you haven't watched it. First on the list is Light Textures Pro by NodeWorks. It is a fast and elegant add-on plus asset pack for importing cinematic light textures into your Blender scene. Add realistic dispersion, caustics, flashlight effects, and reflected light patterns in seconds. Then adjust everything however you like. Realistic light textures instantly enrich the mood, realism, and visual depth of your image. Whether you are building a cinematic frame, an atmospheric interior, or a stylized hero shot, Light Textures Pro helps you enhance lighting without breaking your workflow. There is also Gobos Master add-on. With 198 plus high-quality gobos spread across 13 categories including trees, fences, rain, windows, street elements, leaves, procedural, and more. You get animated gobos, static gobos, looping shadow effects with multi-layer gobo stacking system. This means you can layer multiple gobo effects and control them independently, giving your lighting insane depth and realism. And the best part? It's currently at 40% off. And the creator is also working on version 3, which will include a lot more features that you will love. Further, we have Procedural Clouds. This add-on makes it easy to add realistic cloud formations to scenes without complex setups. It includes over 60 presets such as cirrus, cumulus, stratus, smoke, and haze, plus ready-made sky setups for quick results. Built with geometry nodes, clouds are highly adjustable. Size, density, height, shape, and noise can all be customized. You can also create custom formations from templates, use a fast preview mode for performance, and apply built-in wind animation for natural cloud movement. The next one is my favorite, the Snapshot Addon. This add-on is a game changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots lets you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a super-powered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, snapshots completely frees you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. Next we have Light Director 2.0. It is a procedural, non-destructive lighting system for Blender that instantly saves and restores the state of every light and HDRI setup in your scene, letting you capture your perfect lighting at any moment in time and jump back to that setup with a single click. This means you never have to be afraid to change your lighting again. Whether you are making subtle tweaks to create different versions or completely reworking the mood, you can save every iteration as a unique setup. It gives you the freedom to experiment without ever breaking what you've already built, which actually saves a lot of time and increases productivity. Moving on, we have Blender MPM Solver. Lets you create sand, snow, mud, and soft material effects in Blender with an external MPM workflow, live cache import, granular rendering, surface reconstruction, and alembic baking. It is built for artists and technical users who want a more advanced simulation pipeline directly from Blender. Instead of juggling scene prep, exports, caches, and render conversion manually, this add-on keeps the workflow organized from one place. Next up, Camera Tracker has been updated to version 5, and this version is completely rewritten for Blender 5.0 and 5.1. which also makes it up to 5x faster for long shots, along with proper CUDA, 10 to 100 faster inversion, and a new tripod solver for shots without parallax. If you already own Camera Tracker add-on, you can download version 5 for free. After installing many add-ons, your in-panel can quickly become cluttered. To handle this, there is a powerful add-on called In-Panel Subtabs. It helps keep the in-panel organized. This tool allows you to create custom tabs, assign add-ons to specific tabs, and collapse or hide sections you don't use often. Once installed, you can immediately begin creating tabs, naming them to match your workflow. For example, placing modeling tools in one tab and rendering tools in another. This makes it much easier to find the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also leave certain add-ons unmanaged if you rarely use them, but still want to keep them installed. In addition, the add-on includes update management, letting you check for and download the newest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone handling different types of projects or regularly switching between workflows, the In-Panel Manager is an excellent way to personalize and streamline Blender's interface. And that's a wrap. If any of these add-ons caught your eye, you can find all the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.